Okay, when you open the project, you see something like this, and here is for you the preview composition to see what's inside the project, see the animation, and choose one of them. For example, for this tutorial, I choose this one. Open it, double click and open it. It's number 4. Okay, let's go in the edit comps, edit text. That's number 4. You know, open this text composition of this project. Here you can change the font, the size, the alignment, anything, and of course your text. For example, this is your website, your website, anything you want you can type. This is the price. For example, instead of the price, we can type 13% off. You can describe your product and what is it and so on. And here the main title, for example, I type the best shoes. You can, let's scale it down. That's okay. See, everything is okay. Okay. Next, we import a photo. Go to the edit placeholder number 4. Drag and drop your photo. Remove the background. It's too big. Make it smaller, or perhaps maybe bigger. Make it bigger to fit the comp. After that, check it out. A little smaller. That's okay. So next step is the edit colors. Number 4. Select the color and settings layer. Go to the effect control panel, and here all the settings that you need. For example, you can change the text color. You can change it and make it anything. For example, I want to change the gradient here, the main box color 1, color 2. Color 1 is the red one, color 2 is the purple one. So I make it the red one should be pinkish, and it's better to be blue. Lighter. Okay, that's good. And one, I think that's it. You can scale the placeholder here. You can change the position. You can change the position of all text. Hope you enjoy, and see you later.